Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the Tropolite Premium Whipping Cream. This is a Tropolite Whipping Cream which is used in making toppings for cakes. You can also use it for making ice creams at home. So this is a synthetic cream here from Tropolite, and which has been used in so many baking products to make creams like for cake topping and ice creams and many more things you can make. You can even make many desserts with this. So it's an amazing product here, Tropolite. So today we are going to review this product for you all. So let's start off with the review of the product. First of all, this is the brand name here. This is the branding here, Tropolite. And then here's the tagline, the taste of happiness. This is the tagline. And the product name is Ecotrop, which is a whipped topping. So this is a whipped topping here. Right at the end they are given like you need to store it frozen so that it remains for a good time. Moving on to the side of the product, here are the nutritional values given here. So every 100 grams of the Tropolite Ecotrop gives you 212 kcals of calories, protein of 81 grams, 0.181 grams, carbohydrates are 25.4 grams, of which sugar is 25 grams, fat is 12 grams. This is a 1 kg packet. So you all can see here net weight is mentioned here as 1000 grams. It's a proprietary food and category 2.3 fat emulsion, mainly of type of oil and water, including mixed and flavored products based on fat emulsion. Now let's look at the ingredient. Like I told you, this isn't a real cream. This is not a real cream. It's a synthetic cream. So let's look at the ingredients here. Water, sugar, hydrogenated palm oil, palm kernel oil, caseinate, emulsifiers, stabilizers, vegetable protein, iodized salt, and acidity regulators. Contains added natural identical flavors, which is vanilla. And here is the license number by FSSAI is given here. And again they have mentioned the net weight here of 1000 grams. Moving on to the other side, here we can see again the Tropolite branding here. The tagline, taste of happiness, name of the product, Ecotrop, and directions for use. Defrost and chiller at 2 degrees to 7 degrees until complete thawing of frozen content. So you need to like remove from the, whenever you want to use, remove from the freezer, keep it in the chiller and let it thaw for some time until it becomes liquid. Shake well before opening and pour into a bowl up to 20% of the bowl, because when you whip the cream it starts increasing in quantity, right? So you need to take only 20% of the bowl is filled with the cream and then you start whipping it. Whip first on medium speed until product starts to thicken, then on high speed until the formation of soft peaks. Be careful, do not overwhip, as overwhipping may result in cracking of gateaux. Instruction: arrives frozen, store at below -18 degrees, so you need to store it in the freezer. Store the whipped product under refrigeration. After whipping, the whipped cream also can be kept in the fridge at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So that's all the information available here. Now, like I told you, this is a 1 kg pack and the MRP of the pack is rupees 170. So the MRP is mentioned here on the cramp up here, that it is rupees 170. And where's the shelf life? Let's look for the shelf life of the product. So yeah, the shelf life is 12 months from manufacture date, and that is a good amount of time. So 12 months is good. So it comes in a nice Tetra pack here, so that it is completely hygienic and pure. So it comes packed in a Tetra pack, so you can store it hygienically. So yeah guys, this is a Tropolite Ecotrop whipping cream from Tropolite, which can be used to make desserts. So this was my review about the Tropolite. I have been using Tropolite to make desserts, make ice creams and cake toppings, and it's just amazing. The taste is much better than fresh cream. So this is the Tropolite Ecotrop, and this is a 1 kg pack, and the price of the product is rupees 170. So guys, this was my review about the Tropolite Ecotrop whipping cream. If you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.